This time we have y-intercept equals 5 and point to -7. And the time we have intercept means we are talking about point. When we have y-intercept, it means that the x-coordinate is equal 0. So, in other words, y-intercept 5 means I have point which has x-coordinate equal 0 and y-coordinate equal 5. So, I have 2 points. If you want to find equation of the line which passes through these 2 points, you have to find first the slope. You have to write the formula for slope first. M is equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And let's say this is my point 1 and this is my point 2. Okay, so this is my x1, y1, x2, y2. y2 is equal -7 minus y1, which is equal 5, over x2, which is equal 2, minus x1, which is equal 0. -7 minus 5 is equal -12 over 2. Negative divided by invisible positive is equal negative. 12 divided by 2 is equal 6. My slope is equal -6. In order to find the equation of this line, we're supposed to use point-slope form, okay, which looks like y minus y1 is equal mx minus x1. Next, we're supposed to substitute y1 and x1 by coordinates of either point. It doesn't matter which coordinates you are going to use. You can use x1, y1 or x2, y2. And your answer is going to be always the same. But because I have y1 and x1, I'm going to use point 1. So I have y minus my y1 is equal 5 equals m, which is equal -6, open parenthesis, x minus 0. And I'm going to have y minus 5 is equal -6x. In order to find y by itself, I have to move -5 to the right side of my equal sign. So if y equals -6x plus 5. And this is the equation of my line.